Well, it's 7 a.m. I've had the Starship on the battery charger overnight. Should have a good strong charge. I'm going to just spin it enough to see if I have spark. And reach up in here. Okay, I have ignition on. Okay, give it a quick spin, make sure I still have spark. I have spark. So now I'll just put the plugs back in and give it a chance to start in 2 or 3 turns. If they don't start in 2 or 3 turns, there's a problem. So I'll give it a quick spin to see if it'll start. And if not, I'm going to go through the carburetor again. There is a saying that I think I made up, I'm not sure, that you should suspect first that which you worked on last. In other words, you might have worked on something and considered yourself having done it right. Let's go back and double check. Make sure that you did everything right. For all I know, there may still be gunk somewhere in that carburetor, even though I thought I cleaned it out thoroughly. So that's where I'm going to go back to for the carburetor. We know we have spark. We know we have compression because you can hear it. And so I'm going to go through the carb if it doesn't start when I try it. All right, I got the gas on. And here's my ignition key way up here. Let me just zoom in and show you. I got it right in there. That's on. Battery checker's checking the battery. Says it's good. Got the gas on. Let's give it a try here and see what happens. Let's try a choke, just for grins. Whoa, it wants to start. Okay, well, it won't run with the choke off. Yeah, that was nice. It started right up. I'm going to set this camera aside now and run the bike for a few minutes and check oil flow and see how it goes. Well, there it sits. That's idle. Choke is off. Warmed up very nicely. Sounds great. Oil, I checked oil flow. That's good. My battery restraint in. And I all right, gotta put my battery restraint in. Wow, glad I walked over to this side of the bike. Well, let's see, it's about, oh gosh, 8:20, so it's been about an hour, a little more, since I started the bike. It started with the choke. I didn't try the choke yesterday, so I tried it today and it started right up. Now I'm going to try to start it again now without choke and see what happens. And if it doesn't start, I'll start it with choke and we'll see what happens. I don't know. Let's just give her a go and see how we do. It's going to be a semi-cold start. I mean, yeah, pipes are cold. All right, turn the ignition on up here. Way up here. Okay, ignition is on. And let's just not do anything at all except give it a start. So you want to start just fine with me. All right, that was no joke. Turn it off before I kill myself with carbon monoxide. All right, well, I have a Zoom call to do with my old Motorola buddies, so I'm going to call this a morning for a while, and maybe I'll dress it out after the phone call, after the Zoom call. So, found my little bracket. It's right here. I've got the rubber band over top, this stock hold down, that's in place, and this guy holds it from moving. I also usually put a bed of silicone underneath and behind batteries. I might do that also. So anyway, I'm going to go Zoom with friends, and then I'll come out and dress out the bike.